Welcome to the YouTube channel of G Rathbun. In today's video, we're doing an unboxing. We receive a lot of things from Amazon due to the fact of where we live. So let's see what's in this Amazon box.
Here you go. It is, like she said, an unboxing video. This is, I got this myself. Ain't a present or nothing like this. But I seen it was on sale and I needed one because this one of mine wore out. I mean, these are handy. And I got this set for 79 bucks. So we're gonna, yuck, what's on that? Apparently I used that to open something else too. By the time you get this video, we'll probably be back from Yuma. So I got a bunch of videos coming up here from Yuma. Went down with, met Brother Blood, and had a good time. But anyway, let's get into this. Now, like I said, this was only $79, and it comes with no battery. The reason why I'm putting it on there is because it's so cheap, and it is on sale. Maybe it'll still be on sale when you see this. But this is the part that I had that wore out. It's 18 volt, which is what I already got a bunch of batteries. It comes with the jigsaw and that. I didn't have a jigsaw, so this will be awesome. There's the jigsaw, there's that. We got some end constructions. Oh, we got a little piece that fell off of something. Don't want to lose that. That looks like it probably came off of, looks like one of them. Wonder if I got an extra one of them. Where else would it go? I bet they actually accidentally gave me an extra one. There we go, we got that right there. Guess you can see that okay. Nothing else in the box. Got something right there. Don't know what else that is. Oh, it's the Allen wrench for doing something. We won't need that. Oh, hey. Well, what do you know? If I can get it out of the box here. Hang on, I'm fighting it. We got a blade. Son of a gun. We'll put the blade on. It's got, looks like three, you can change the speeds on it for, only that's on backwards. Guess it don't matter. Figure it out. The pointer's on the wrong side there. You see that? Should be over here. Anyway, I think that's what that is for. We'll figure it out later. But it does take, what kind of blades does that take? We'll have to figure that one out. How you get the blades in there. We might have to read the constructions on that one. I've never had one of these. This will be so awesome to have one without a cord. So I'm liking that. This one I've had. I got one. It's over there and it's wore out. It won't cut paper. And we got all the instructions here. We got this. I'll have to check. I'll take that and read it. Because today it's still a little nippy out here. But like I said, that's when I filmed it. It's nippy. But by the time we get back, this may be coming on in April. We'll be way back before that. Okay, let's open up the blade. That's nice. Okay, now we got the Allen wrench. Let's stick the Allen. Let's put a light on in here. Shall we get some more light? There you go. See me better? Okay. Oh, it's got a jigsaw. So we'll figure out how to put that in here. You want to help me? We'll figure that one out. Now then, this should have a lock somewhere. Well, that don't fit there. This must be for this. Must be a Allen somewhere. Okay, guys, help me figure it out. Well, we'll look at the instructions. but we're gonna need to undo that. Wonder why it didn't send me one for that. I bet I have one. I grabbed the battery while I was over there. I don't usually buy the Ryobi batteries. The other ones seem to be just as good and last longer. See what we got. Works. Okay, oh, there's my Allen. Take that battery back out. This came with an Allen. Is that a different Allen? Yep. Oh, well, ain't that special. Where'd I get it from? Oh, right there. Oh, I'm excited. I like getting new tools. I start new projects just so I can get new tools. Oh yeah, that fits there. Now we got to find the lock on it. There will be one somewhere. Right there it is. Here's your lock right here. So we're going to just take this and unlock that. Oops, maybe it goes the other way. Yep, it's the left-handed because of the rotation on the blade. That's why it's that way. Okay, that comes off. Yeah, we stick this up in there. Okay, and the rotation, see which way it rotates, okay? We know. Oop. Oh, ain't gonna do without a battery, is it? All right, it goes this way. Hold this up. And then we put this back in there. Oh, wait a minute. We got two things here. I think it has two different sizes. Yeah, we got this. Drop that back in there. Then let's see if this fits on there. Then we take this and that goes on there. Then we put the screw back in there, and it's left-handed thread, so we twist it the wrong way, and we got a saw. Okay. Well, that was pretty simple to figure out. Hit the lock again. I'll show you where the lock is, right there. Hold that, tighten this up. Confusing to me to tighten something backwards. Good and tight. There we go. That'll cut it, that'll cut it. And then we got the, there's where that came from. This fell off the back of it. Hopefully it's not broken in any way. There's where that came from. Didn't think they'd give you something extra. Did you guys think that? Okay, got to get a screwdriver in there to get that. Got to repair it already. They probably don't tighten this stuff up real tight. Some little guy in Taiwan or something just kind of throws it together, just enough to get it to your house. There we go. That's as hard as that was. We'll put this back on. That's where she came from. I like the Ryobi, but I like it because I started out with them. I think if you had another brand, it would be just as good. There we go. And that's how that works. That's your adjustment so you can get the depth you want. You got your angle on it. I like that. Okay, let's check this out. This has got to go somewhere to do something. Well, it ain't obvious, I'll tell you that right now. Okay, I'm going to pause here because I don't want to look like an idiot. And we're going to look this up, because it's got to be simple. What do you mean? What do you mean I already look like? I can't believe you said that. Come on, come on. I don't want the reading part, I want the... Okay. It says, well, that's where you hold it. It's got a holder back here too, just like that. That's where you keep it. But where do you loosen it? This is a nice little plate you can take off. I guess if you want to put it on something that don't scratch. Well, that's a bonus, isn't it? Okay, I still ain't figured out where to do that. Okay, here you put this right like that. Oh, it's got a little guide here. That's kind of cool. That's gotta be something. Wait a minute. Watch. Watch this. You twist that way, and then that slides right up in it. Look at that. Ha! Hope I zoomed in on that for you, because that was slick. Now, where this goes? Oh, I know what that's for. Let me put my wrench back in here before I lose this one. Already losing parts. There you go. That goes right in there. This one here goes right in back here. What this is for is to loosen up the plate under here. You can put it right here like that. That's what that's for. You can loosen the plate up to get your angle. That is slick. I'm going and liking these. I like buying new tools. Like I've said before, some of you guys, and I've had some of you guys go, man, if I had the tools, I could do that. Well, here's the deal. What's a better reason to go buy a tool than you got a project that you need it for? Well, what the heck? The virgin hole, I guess. I don't know. It's supposed to go in there. There we go. Just didn't hold my mouth right. Anyway, there's my Ryobi tool box opening. Yeah, right now, go check down at Home Depot, and they shipped it to me for free. Right down there at Home Depot right now, you can pick these up for 80 bucks for the pair. Then you go online and you buy aftermarket batteries, and they're way cheaper, and I think they last longer. Okay, see how this works. Oh, you don't need to push nothing in. That's gonna work. And then it's got, oh, that's the lock. There you go. On, lock. Okay, that works. Let's see if the blade don't fly off and do bad things to me. I don't like that, having to hold the deal in, but that's the way it is. You get it started. Smells okay. The other one stinks. That's it, guys. That's a box opening for this. Hope you're enjoying my little helpers. I'm too old and ugly to be on here anymore, and I have to be. So I'm going to put this little girl on here. She's going to tell you what to do. Thanks, guys.
I hope you like the video, guys. If you subscribe to my channel by clicking the little button here, you're going to get notified of upcoming videos. We have thousands of them on here for you to choose from. There are motorcycle rides, new places to go and explore, and all types of content. So please subscribe. It helps the channel a lot. Have a great day.